Myself Mamta, I'm the skin faculty of VLCC School of Beauty. So today's topic is about Faradic treatment, that is nothing but neuromuscular electrical stimulation. So today first we'll learn about skin. Skin, it is the largest organ of our human body, which is covering our entire body, and it's like protecting our inside organ as well. The skin is divided into three layers, which is epidermis, dermis and hypodermis. Hypodermis, it is nothing but a subcutaneous layer. So the first layer, which is epidermis, it is the topmost layer of our human body. It is like completely filled up with the keratinization process. So the dermis layer, it is nothing but a true skin. It is a middle part of our skin, and it is also connected with the connective tissues. So the hypodermis, it is a third layer of our skin, which is completely filled with the fatty deposit as well. So next, we are going to talk about the conditions of the skin. So the main conditions which I'm going to talk about is aging condition. Reason because the Faradic treatment, basically we recommend this on aging skin, people who have like fine lines, wrinkles. So basically to give a toning effect, to give a contraction to the facial muscles as well. Basically it gives a passive exercise to the facial muscles. The condition anti-aging. So most of the people they face this kind of a issue. Reason because they don't apply proper SPF on the skin. So because of the sun damage, the wrinkles starts getting on the skin. So basically it is like damaging our elastin and collagen fibers. So basically it is like giving the stretchable loses from the skin, and we start getting wrinkles and fine lines on the faces. So to give a toning effect, to give a contraction on the particular conditions, we do this Faradic treatment, that is nothing but a neuromuscular electrical stimulations. So this treatment gives a passive exercise to the facial muscles as well, to give a toning and contouring effect. So basically we do this treatment on the motor points. It is nothing but muscles which includes the neck muscles and the facial muscles as well. For example, like sternocleidomastoid, which is present on the neck area, and the chin around the platysma, orbicularis oris, zygomaticus, all these muscles to give a contouring effect, basically to tighten up the skin. The machinery which we are going to use in the Faradic treatment. So basically we give this treatment on the muscles, which is on the motor point, for giving a contraction as well as the relaxations. So this how it works is like we keep on the motor points on the particular muscle points for giving a contractions. So by giving a contractions, what happens? It is like sending a message to the brain saying that there is a current which is passing on the particular motor point, and then it relaxes, it contracts. And then like after few seconds, we relax. By giving that contraction relaxation, it is giving an exercise. It is nothing but a passive exercise to the facial muscles. Yes. Next, the intensity, it should not be like very high when you're doing it on the neck muscles, as well as when we are working very closer to the eye area, because those muscles are like kind of a pincher muscles which is like present on the eyelids. So we keep less intensity when we are covering up on the eyelids.